If you want to enable or disable phone calls on the Xiaomi Watch 5, what you can do is you can go to the MyFitness app or MyFitness app, and over here in device category, of course, make sure that you have Xiaomi Watch 5 selected, and then you can go to notifications and calls. Now here, if you go to incoming calls, you can toggle these two options. We have enhanced call features and show contact info in order to make sure that phone calls work the best way possible. On your Xiaomi Watch 5, it is definitely recommended to have these two options enabled. Now, besides that, it is recommended to make sure that app notifications are enabled. So if you have them disabled, just turn them on. And you can also make sure that you have this option disabled, receive only when phone is locked. So if you keep using your phone and you still want to be able to see phone calls, of course, it is recommended in that specific case to turn this option off. There is also notify only when worn. So if you still cannot see notifications, if you still cannot get phone call notifications, then of course you might want to turn this option off, especially if you have tattoos or something like that on your wrist where you wear your smartwatch. Because in that case, if you do have tattoos, then there is a chance that the watch won't be able to detect properly if you actually wear the smartwatch or not. So you might want to turn this option off. And besides that, here in more options, we have two options to choose from. We have mirror phone notifications option and custom notifications. Now for custom notifications, there's actually no way to choose the phone app. I believe that it is enabled for the smartwatch by default, so I don't think it matters that much if you have custom notifications or mirror phone notifications. But just to make sure that everything works correctly, you can of course go for mirror phone notifications. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.